Let's learn how you can recover deleted messages on Snapchat. So let's start by opening our Snapchat application. Now you need to click on top right corner on your profile picture and then click on top right corner to go to your settings. Now you need to scroll down and go to my privacy and data option. Now click on this first option, my data. And here you will see this big page with every information you can export. Here you just need to click on chat history. So check this button, and when it turns green, you just need to scroll down and click on next. Now you can select the specific date range for the chat you want to download, and here you need to enter your email where Snapchat will send you this file with your chat history. So you just need to click submit once you click on arrange, for example, and you can see that export is in progress and they will send you an email when it's done. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.